Every one of us, whether a private, government, or a daily wager, works for his family, for himself to earn his livelihood so that he can provide him and his family bread and butter. Today is 18th of September 2023, and every year this day is celebrated as equal pay, equal work. Now, what this equal pay, equal work means, this is a phrase which means whoever is employed, whatever may be the sector, whether private, government, semi-government, should be paid equal pay as that of their permanent employees. Is it applicable to this part of the Jammu and Kashmir? If it is not provided, then what are the main reasons behind it? Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you would be fine, and may Almighty Allah keeps always you and your family in well conditions and protects you from all the evil things. Before starting my video, a kind request to all of you. As my YouTube channel on which I was uploading the videos has been disabled by the YouTube, now I request all of you to support me and my channel so that I can make the good informative for whole the society. And for this reason, I need your help. Help in the form of clicking the subscribing button whosoever receives this video. That will be your most kindness. Let us start the video now. Today, on the day of International Equal Pay Equal Works Day, the temporary workers, that includes the college contractuals, teachers working in the schools or daily wagers, should be provided the same remuneration as that of permanent employees. There should be no differences, and they cannot be disentitled an casual employee, a contractual employee, or an ad hoc employee from getting the full salary as per the equal work, equal pay. Equal pay, equal work as given by the Equal Pay Act in India, all employees whosoever are employed should be given the same salary, should be given the same remuneration as that of their permanent employees. Supreme Court in their judgment against the state of Punjab and V. Jagjit Singh has told the Punjab government to provide all the basic necessities, to provide all the basic salaries to Jagjit Singh, who was a contractual employee, that government should give him same salary as that was given to the permanent employee. Economic Social Culture Rights Act 1996 states that every person whosoever is employed should be given equal pay for equal work, whether whosoever gender is, male, female, they should be given the equal pay. Article 14, 15, 16 states that the government should take every step to provide the equal pay for equal work to every individual whosoever is working in private, government, or semi-government offices. Universal Declaration for Human Rights has also determined that every country should give equal pay for the equal work. Labor Organization Remuneration Act has stated that there should be equal pay for the equal work. Equal Remuneration Act 1976 also stated that every employee whosoever is working in any class should be given equal pay for his equal work. Minimum Wages Act also stated that every individual whosoever is working in any government or private office should be given the minimum wages That's equal pay, equal work. But in this part of the Jammu and Kashmir, whether it may be the private school teachers have to work from 8 to 4 continuously. And what they get? They get 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000 in return. That is against the every act stated in the Indian Constitution. That means they are not given the equal pay, equal work. Same is the case with the college contractuals. The permanent faculty in the college gets 80, 90,000, even lakh, 2 lakh rupees. But the contractuals who have to work, who have to perform the same duty are given 28, 22,000. Is this not against the Equal Pay Equal Work Act? But if it is against it, why does not government takes the steps towards it? Why does the employees who are in the department, whether in the private schools, whether in the companies, whether in the colleges, whether in the universities, why don't they go to the court and state there that they are not provided the equal wage as per their work? Somewhat it is the negligence from the part of the government that they have made the acts, but they are not applicable on the ground. Everywhere, whenever any teacher, particularly I would say about the teachers, whether in the colleges, schools, they are given the mere amount of money and they have to work a lot of work. For that, what they get? They get a meager salary from which they even cannot feed themselves. How they can feed their family? How they can educate their children who need money to get educated, to get the better health facilities, to get the better food? Government should at least direct every private school, direct the college authorities, whosoever are involved in it, they should be given the equal pay. The employees who are working as contractuals or daily wagers or an private institution, when they are provided the money, the administration of that school, of that college, wow them that they are giving this money. No, they are not giving this money to them as any kind of favor, because they have worked, they have given their blood for their work, and for that purpose they are being provided this money. I feel sometimes very sad, as I have already worked in the private schools as a college contractual. How much the college contractual teachers, how much the private school teachers, how much the private employees suffers from their bosses, from their administration. Whenever they are said that they have to work, they are being worked just like the animals, just like the donkeys. But in return, what they get? They get nothing. They are provided a meager salary. And they are mistreated in these schools, in these colleges, by the permanent staff of the institution. I may not say every individual, but in most of the cases, the principals of the private schools, colleges, they mistreat them. But everyone is not same. Now, on this International Equal Work, Equal Pay Day, I hope that government should take necessary steps so that every individual who works for the betterment of society, for the betterment of his family, to get food for his family, to provide medicine, to provide health facilities to their children. They don't work to get just like Ambani. They don't want to make the large building. They just want to feed their family. Hope government should take every step to encourage everyone that one whosoever works, they should be given equal work for equal pay. At the last, I again request you to subscribe my channel, as my last channel Devani has been terminated by the YouTube. I request you to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you may get the necessary information whenever I upload a new video. Thanks a lot.